55-year-old woman gunned down in Clarendon. Hi again and welcome. This is Links of Blood 7 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come.
Welcome to Links of Love 7 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links of Love 7 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links of Blood 7 TV News Report. A 55-year-old woman was shot and killed by a gunman who invaded her home in Woodside, Clarendon on Thursday night. The victim has been identified as Marlene Stewart of Woodside in the parish. Police report that Stewart returned home from work around 8 p.m. and shortly afterwards, loud explosions were heard coming from her house. Residents later alerted the police, and on their arrival, the body was found with what appears to be gunshot wounds. No motive has yet been established for this latest attack in Clarendon. This has been Links of Love 7 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.